Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best ice skates for beginners adults you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best ice skates for beginners adults on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which ice skates for beginners adults are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Lake Placid Adjustable Ice Skates. Lake Placid Nitro skates offer optimal adjustability as they can accommodate up to 4 shoe sizes to suit the needs of your growing child. These recreational skates are suitable for beginners and are long-lasting. Their lightweight, protective shell offers ample ankle support for smooth and balanced movement. The skates feature stainless steel hockey-style blades for better control and precision. Your child can use these skates for public skating or skating lessons. Looking for a pair of recreational ice skates that can be used session after session, Palmier ice skates can adjust up to 4 shoe sizes to accommodate growing feet. The lightweight, protective shell provides optimal ankle support, which is important for beginning skaters. The closure is easy for children to use and provides excellent ankle support and a secure fit. Added comfort lining is both warm and supportive. Easy push button sizing allows the skates to expand up to 4 shoe sizes. Simply push the button and pull the toe box forward for a custom fit. These recreational ice skates fit true to US children's whole shoe sizes in standard widths. Our second best ice skates for beginners adults is Jackson Ultima Figure Ice Skates. Skate Guru Figure Ice Skates for women are bundled with Guardog skate guards, making them a great pick for anyone pursuing ice skates for the very first time. With a support rating of level 25 meant for beginners, the pair comes equipped with all the features that are essential for a smooth glide on ice. It has a softer top line that adds comfort, while the microfiber lining ensures that your feet are supported. These ice skates also offer added flexibility with flex notch. So, get one for yourself and ace your ice skating adventure. Softer top line for increased comfort, microfiber lining with memory foam ankle padding, flex notch for added flexibility, foam-backed vinyl and mesh comfort tongue, stylized PVC outsole for easy care, Ultima Mark IV all-purpose chrome blade attached with screws. Number 3 in our list is Jackson Classic Soft Skate 380 Ice Figure Skates. These durable skates for women combine aesthetics and comfort. The ice skates come in a beautiful white color and feature reinforced vinyl upper that gives the ice skates added strength. They are a good pick for those who intend to commence their lessons in ice skating as beginners. The tongue is padded and covered, and the padded rolled collar helps keep your feet in place without compromising on comfort while adding warmth. New Soft Skate 380 by Jackson combines the luxury and warmth of traditional white figure skate with superior comfort from first try on. Padded tongue and thick soft padded rolled collar give support, warmth and comfort. Fun colors, PVC outsoles with Ultima Mark I stainless steel blade excellent for beginners. Fourth recommendation in our side is Riedell Skate Soar Ice Skates. These modern ice skates have a comfortable design and a simple lacing system. These soft casual skates provide comfort with their foam-backed velvet lining for carefree skating. Check sizing chart for best fit. This ice skate set offers light support to keep you stable on the ice. These boots have a split tongue design and durable maintenance-free uppers to provide support and add comfort. Support rating is 25. These beginner ice skates have safety in mind by adding extra padded linings for cushion. The skate's lining contains 3M Thinsulate insulation that keep your feet warm and dry. These recreational ice boots offer the perfect amount of support for the new beginner or casual skater, indoor or outdoor. The 625 Soar gives a great performance whether on a rink or on a pond. These recreational ice boots offer the perfect amount of support for the new beginner or casual skater, indoor or outdoor. The 625 Soar gives a great performance whether on a rink or on a pond. Last in our top 5 best ice skates for beginners adults list is American Athletic Tricot Lined Ice Skates. These ice skates for women have a stylish and comfortable design for easy wear and use. They have stainless steel figure skating blades that offer a good grip and help you balance well. These skates do not feel bulky and are available in various adult sizes. If you have an outdoor skating session planned or wish to practice indoors, these white skating shoes can be a suitable option. The American Tricot figure skate is comfortable and has the best fit. It's the perfect ice skate for family fun skating outdoors or for practicing indoors for beginner skating lessons. This make it easy and comfortable for you to enjoy your skating experience with padded inner liners and reinforced ankle support. This figure skate features stainless steel blades with a beginner style toe pick.